Okay, this is a Volvo 235 reduced tail swing excavator, which is now a demolition rig. We've carried out some modifications ourselves to it to bring it into the demolition market and hopefully get the best out of the machine. One of the first modifications we've done is this, the ram guard, which follows the movement of the ram and protects the ram from when we're working within buildings, etc., and protects the ram from any damage, because it's quite an expensive component to the machine. So we've built this ram guard which we think is strong and robust. Okay, there's two main parts of the ram guard. There's the part fitted to the outer casing of the ram, and there's a part fitted to this part, the tipping linkage. And as the ram opens and closes, the ram guard extends and retracts so that the ram itself has always got protection. As standard with all of our machines this size, we've now started fitting the oil quick system, which we have fitted to this machine as well. Okay, this is the cab cage that AR Demolition have designed and manufactured in-house. We've done quite a lot of development work with this to get it just how we want it. The main things we wanted to do was get the cab cage tight to the cab, but we also wanted the facility to be able to clean the glass of the machine easily. And what we've done is we've made this outer frame, and just by simply taking these 3 bolts out, the whole front opens so the driver can get in very quickly to clean his glass. But also with the cage being tight to the main cab of the machine, it limits blind spots and makes it a lot better to look out of. The cab has also got these slightly angled vanes so that the driver gets maximum visibility through the cab. We've also put this same system up on top of the cab when the driver's looking out the sunroof. Again, it can be opened up so he can see, so it can be opened up so he can clean it. Okay, we've designed and built this toolbox which we've integrated into the track frame, and we've tried to make it nice and strong so it can't get ripped off. It's built out of very heavy gauge metal. It's very convenient for the driver so he can get chains and things in there, and he's not got to clamber up and down the machine to get his normal day-to-day bits and pieces out of the machine. Nice and low so we can get chains, etc. in there. Nice and easy accessible for the machine operator. Okay, so these are our rebar harvesters, or rebar catchers as we call them. And the design of these, the idea of these is they're very, very heavy plate. And the idea of them is that any rebar that gets caught in the traps as it comes up with, in the tracks as it comes up with concrete on it, gets to here, the concrete gets smashed or tore off the rebar with this. And as the rebar goes under the main body of the machine, it doesn't damage, or the concrete that was on it wouldn't damage the underside of the machine. Coupled up with that, on the machine we've put thicker belly plates underneath so that if anything does get underneath, we've got further protection there as well. But it's very rare now does anything get beyond these under there. We've also designed and built our own, as we call them in the trade, the boxing ring. It's just a simple handrail that goes around the machine. The idea of this is when the driver's maintaining his machine, he has to come up on the back quite a bit, lubrication, etc. Put this on so that there's no way the driver can fall off, keeping it nice and safe. The be all and end all is we really like our machines to look something with the branding and be safe. As you can see, we've designed the back of this machine so it stands out well, people can see it, and it picks up on the AR brand.